Looking to try Alga Pro? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate the portal and access the chat. First, you'll want to go to portal.9minds.com. This is where you'll go to access Alga Pro. Here, you'll sign in, reset your password, or sign up if you're a new user. This is also where you'll go if you want to try the 14-day free trial, but I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign right in. It'll take you right to the home page where you can find most of what you need. Now, this is what the admin's profile looks like. Users that are members and not admins will not have all the tabs here. If you go over to your avatar picture in the upper right corner of the screen, you can access your profile and account information. This just gives you the option to put in some general information about yourself and your account, and shows your subscription status and how many users you have in each license. Here, you can also sync your boards by following the directions on the screen. You can add preferred payment methods or remove ones you don't want under payment methods. And of course, you have your classic settings where you can manage your password, notification preferences, and cancel your account if you wish to do so. You can click on Edit Avatar to add a profile picture of your own. Now, going back to the Home tab, you can see your ID, your plan, the number of active users per license type, and the next subscription renewal date. On the home page is a dashboard of both the current and projected cost for the licenses that you've purchased. On the right-hand side, you can also add more licenses and other admins if you wish to have more management members on your team. You can go to the Payments tab for information on past payments. You can view disputes, invoices, and send or download them here. Under the Users tab, it shows you the user accounts that you've purchased and whether or not they're active. This top one here is a member and not an admin. And this one here is me, I'm the admin. So you can also sort by activity to gauge whether or not you want to continue with your subscription. Go to the Licenses tab to view all licenses you've purchased. It lists their IDs and whether or not they're on free trial or if they're pro. And it also lists the emails of each person you've assigned licenses to. On the right-hand side, next to each license, you can upgrade licenses individually and also assign them to new users, and delete the license if you wish. You can also sort by type of license here. Click Get Licenses if you want to purchase more licenses and add more users. You can either add to cart to purchase later or buy now. We have a separate tutorial on this on our website. When you click the download button at the top left corner of the screen, it takes you to the free version of Alga on the Chrome Web Store for easy access if you or your team members haven't already downloaded it. Back at the portal, you can also change the theme of your screen to light mode or dark mode depending on your preferences, view your notifications if you have any, and see your shopping cart. To access Alga Pro, click on Alga Chat. This is where the real magic happens. Here, both admins and users can chat with your data. I hope you found this tutorial useful. As always, reach out to us with any questions on our Discord, which can be found on our social media or on our website, or at support@9minds.com. If you're new here and you want to try Alga or Alga Pro, visit our website at 9minds.com to see your options.